a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be.
So is it like a promotion or?
Yeah, it's just like giving out free food samples.
Yeah, to invite people to come to the shop, or
I'm sorry?
is it like what you guys do there at the bar? Also, this is a sample.
This is just for like tasting.
Oh, tasting. So if you want a champagne, you could just go there. Oh, nice.
This is mini avocado on toast.
Okay.
And this one, your last special piece is mini waffle.
Okay.
So yeah, but
I'll
do you
probably.
do you have any allergies?
No, not
yeah,
at
then
all.
you can just go ahead and
Okay,
try.
I'll definitely try this one then. I will probably try it. I need to give a piece to my missus down there. Very, very nice.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Look at this. They even have H on these delicious looking macarons. Look at that. You know, I'm going to go north. I'm not going to bite it. I'm going to feel it. It's so creamy. Still in Harrods 𝙁𝙗𝙘. The cafe is behind me there. They're trying some canopies, so I'm just going to try to see how it tastes like. I think it's kind of like a promotion. So
Belgian waffles.
Oh,
you want to try?
I think I've tried this one.
Oh, okay.
I didn't try the other one.
Oh, it was just avocado.
Yeah, I didn't try that. This is really nice.
Yeah,
I
really
think
like it too.
my missus have to come and try it. So what's this?
It's Belgian waffles.
Yeah.
And on top we have chantilly cream and just strawberries. And also when you order like the full one, it comes with maple syrup.
So you have different Nutella, banana, and cream.
Yeah, it's all in the one. So we have either, so it can be either with strawberries or with Nutella and banana.
That's very. menu look like. I'm having this humongous beer. We're currently in Harvey Nichols in Bristol. We're here for the main event, which is the meal, the birthday meal. So guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Thank you. That's very nice of you. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. What's your... Alright guys, so it's been an amazing day. That's not posh, right? So we had an amazing day. We just on the bus stop right now. We're heading to Oysters. We're heading home. It's a pretty cool day. Jay had amazing. You had a blast day, right, Jay?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
So guys.
Say peace out, yeah.
Yeah. Just say peace out. Peace out.
This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love